Stop buying avocados. You can grow them in a small pot at home. Here's how. High in nutrients and with an ability to enrich any meal with their color and flavor, avocados are extremely popular recently. This extremely delicious fruit is a great source of vitamins like E, K, and C, and potassium and fiber. The nutritionists and experts highly recommend including avocado in your daily diet. It benefits your body in many ways. Fortunately, you don't have to buy avocados and be doubtful whether they have high quality. You can grow organic avocados in your own home. The process is very easy and simple. Let's find out more. The process of preparation. You should take out an avocado seed. Stick 4 toothpicks in it, but make sure they are at an equal distance, halfway down from the top. Put the seed into a cup filled with water, an inch of water inside. Place it in a warm place for 2 to 6 weeks, but do not expose it on a direct sunlight. When you notice the roots and the stem have sprouted and its length has reached about 6 inches, cut the avocado to 3 inches. The leaves should be left to develop well. The roots should become stiff. Once you are ready to plant it, you should fill a pot of 10 inches with a nutrient-rich soil. Plant the seed in a small hole in the center. The roots are supposed to be inside the ground, half of them should be visible. It is very important the pot is made of terracotta with a hole on the bottom. Water the roots regularly. If your leaves become droopy and yellow, leave the seed to dry out. Water it with a small amount of water. If the leaves are brown, this means that you are not watering it enough. Place the pot in the sink and let the water run through it. Then, drain it completely. Take proper of your avocado tree and you will see great results. Enjoy your organic avocados.